In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of viewing, establishing, deactivating, and resetting password for users in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Additionally, I'll demonstrate how to oversee roles, administer business unit for users, and conduct user search. So let's begin. To initiate the user creation process, start by clicking on the Create button. Subsequently, enter the user's name, email address. Click on Verify button to confirm the email address. Additionally, provide notification email address, which can be the same as the user's email address. A user's name, typically the email address. Leave the external key empty or blank. Also, you can input a desired alphanumeric confirmation. Specify the user's time zone, culture code, whether the user is an API user, and assign a temporary password. Verify the entered password and proceed to click on Save. Following this, the user will receive an email containing their temporary password and a link to establish a new password for accessing Marketing Cloud. So we are back here at the main. Is there a page? If you need to get back there, just click My Users right here. If you want to disable users, you will have to at least click one of the users checkbox here. You can click on multiple if you like, and you can click disable right here. So let's try to disable any one of the users here. So click on this checkbox, click on disable. It will ask you to confirm whether you want to disable this user or not. So you can click on OK to disable this user. So we don't want to disable this particular users, so we can click on cancel. So what disabling does is it takes away access for that users when it comes to Marketing Cloud. We're not gonna be able to log into Marketing Cloud. If you want to reset a password for a user, click on that user checkbox, click reset password. If that user is logged in, the user who logged in at the time of the password will lose unsaved work. If you want to continue, you can click on OK. I'll cancel here since I don't really want to reset a password, but that's how you can reset a password for any of the users. If you want to manage the role for users, once again click the checkbox and click on the manage roles. You can choose the business units that this person is assigned to, and you can click the edit role right here, which take you to a list of default and custom roles that you click and can change as per your needs. I'll click cancel since I don't want to change that, and then you can click on permissions here. You can edit their permissions, which gives the further access to Marketing Cloud beyond what the role gives them. And then when you are done, you can click save right over here. Since we do not want to do any kind of changes, we can also click on cancel, and we can go back to our users by clicking on my user. If you want to manage business unit for any of the users, you can just click on the checkbox for your user, click on manage business units. From here you can choose default business unit for your user, and you can also choose associate business unit. If you wanted to save the changes, click on save, else click on cancel button right here. To import a user in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, click on import. Make sure to have a list of users in CSV file format. Then you can choose your update option. First, you can add new user and update users that already exist. Second, add new user but do not update users that already exist. Third and last one is to update existing users but do not add users that do not exist. Then you can choose your file source. Then you can choose the type, and you need to provide an email address to get notification email after the process finished. You can start your process by clicking on start, and if you don't want to start, you can click on cancel. Over here we also have an option to view all the users. If you wanted to see only enable user, click here. If you wanted to see only disable users, you can just simply click on disable users. We also have a search option available. If you wanted to see any specific user, simply write the name of that particular user and click on search. And that is how we navigate the My Users tab under account setting inside the admin area of Email Studio.